A common issue that I see when working in Excel is workbooks full of unnamed tables. It then becomes an issue when you're working with features and apps that specifically look to tables for data. So, to fix this, you should always name your tables. The first thing that you're going to do is click in any table that already exists in your Excel file. Then go to the Table Design tab at the end of the ribbon. This used to only be available in the desktop app, but it is now available in the web app as well. In the Properties section on the left-hand side of the screen, we can see that this is generically called Table 1. I'm going to rename it to specifically point out that this table is used to track employee location. Make sure that you do not put any spaces in the table name. If you do, Excel will give you a syntax error. You can, however, use an underscore to separate the words in the table name. Taking a few seconds to name your tables will save you a lot of hassle when working with Excel.